Islam, in order for universal brotherhood to prevail in the world, it has a moral code. It has a moral law, which helps in universal brotherhood prevailing throughout the world, throughout the universe. The Quran says in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 32, that if anyone kills a person, unless it be for murder or for spreading mischief in the land, it is as though he has killed the whole nation, all the people. And if any person saves a life, it is as though he has saved the whole of humankind, all the people. The Quran says that if any person kills any human being, whether it be a Muslim or non-Muslim, it doesn't specify the race or caste or color or creed. If any person kills any human being, unless it be for murder or for spreading mischief in the land, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. And if anyone saves any human being, whether it be a Muslim or non-Muslim, from any caste, color, or creed, it is as though he has saved the whole of humankind. The Quran has various laws of moral conduct so that universal brotherhood will prevail throughout the universe. The glorious Quran says that no one should ever rob. It's a crime. It's a sin. Islam has a system of zakat, that is, any rich person who has a saving of more than the nisab level, 85 grams of gold, he or she should give 2.5% of that saving every lunar year in charity. If every human being in the world gives zakat, poverty will be eradicated from this world. There will not be a single human being who will die of hunger.